Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your progress tracking with Beelinguapp detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Beelinguapp on your device. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll down to the progress tracking section. Here, you'll find options related to your reading progress. Select Manage Progress Tracking for more options. You will see options to enhance privacy. Turn on the private mode feature to safeguard your reading activity. Confirm the change when prompted. Next, set a password for additional security. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to write down your password in a safe place. Return to the progress tracking settings. Explore options to back up your progress. Consider linking your account to a cloud service for automatic backups. Follow the prompts to link your cloud account. Review the backup frequency options available to suit your needs. Save your settings once you're satisfied with your choices. Regularly check for app updates to ensure optimal security features. Engage with the community features responsibly to maintain privacy. Remember, protecting your progress tracking is an ongoing commitment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.